friends. I hope this finds you well. I really miss you. Okay? Today, I want to share with you, I think, a really fun way to use our song, Captain, Go Sidetrack Your Train, as a little bit of a brain break. You know, maybe you've been sitting at the kitchen table working on your ELA or your math assignment for a long time, and you need to get up and stretch and maybe get a snack too, okay? Well, the dog is always getting into the videos. This is Foxy, in case you haven't seen her and the other one. She loves to come and check out what we're doing. All right, so as we start this game, you're gonna go ahead and make sure you're in a place where you have enough room to move, okay? And if you've got little brothers or sisters at home hanging around, they might help you make a train of people, okay? You're in fourth grade and some of the older kids, so you get to lead them and show them what to do. They played some games like this, but they haven't gone through the crazy fast speeds like you have, okay? So we're gonna start off with our train just leaving the station. It's gonna go slow, slow, slow. And after you get going, we'll change to walk, 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 walk. Then we'll go fast with tiptoe, 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 tiptoe. All right, the station's gonna be coming on the other end, so we'll slow down to walk, 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 walk. Then we'll go back to slow, 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 and then we'll stop. Okay? All right, just be careful of the furniture and everything around you, and we'll get ourselves going, okay? All right, so let's start with our slow, and we'll sing. Captain, go sidetrack your train. Captain, go sidetrack your train. Number 3 in line, coming in on time. Captain, go sidetrack your train. All right, now listen here. Think those words. Walk, 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 walk. It should feel like your feet are playing the xylophone. All right, let's sing again. Captain, go sidetrack your train. Captain, go sidetrack your train. Number 3 in line, coming in on time. Captain, go sidetrack your train. All right, now we're really rolling. Get ready. Tiptoe, 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 tiptoe. All right, here we go. Captain, go sidetrack your train. Captain, go sidetrack your train. Number 3 in line, coming in on time. Captain, go sidetrack your train. Let's slow it down. Walk, 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 walk. We'll go. Captain, go sidetrack your train. Captain, go sidetrack your train. Number 3 in line, coming in on time. Captain, go sidetrack your train. We'll slow it down. Captain, go sidetrack your train. Captain, go sidetrack your train. Number 3 in line, coming in on time. Captain, go sidetrack your train. All right, nice job. All right, friends, I hope you enjoyed this movement break. Why don't you finish up that snack and then get your schoolwork done so you can go outside and play. Miss you. Hope to see you soon.